What's up guys, I've got a must-have app for you if you're currently using Paranoid Android ROM on your Nexus 4. Right now it does only support the Nexus 4, but if demand is high, apparently more devices will be supported. And what this app is, I'll put all the links in the description. As always guys, it's PA Updater, and it's pretty obvious what it does, right? It updates your Paranoid Android ROM to the latest and greatest from the PA team. And it's really simple, but it works really well. You can see there's a view changelog button. This is one of the best features for me because it's really hard to find the changelog for Paranoid Android. At least I find it hard to find the changelog, but it's all right here, nice and simple, right in your face. And you can see right now I'm up to date, but normally you just click start update and it'll do it all for you. Now, where this app really comes into its own is in the settings. If we click the settings, you've got all your normal stuff like the update frequency, and you can tell it to set whenever you want, certain hours, or just on boot, or even never, and you can just use it when you open the app. But you can also get it to check the dev folder as well. But this is where it gets interesting, the update settings. You can see I've got ticked flash GApps, restore kernel, and restore PA prefs. The most annoying thing for me when I flash a PA update is the fact that I have to go ahead and flash my custom kernel again, because I use Franco or Foxes or anything like that. But this allows you to restore that. It'll do it all for you. If you've got it ticked, like I've got it ticked here, once I click the start update button, it'll do it all for me. It'll restore the Franco that I currently had. It'll download and flash the latest GApps, and then it will restore my PA preferences as well, as to set all the DPIs and all the color settings. So I think that's really awesome. It saves yourself a lot of time. If you're flashing and you have to have the latest PA, this app is definitely a must-have. You've also got wipe cache and the other cache options. And underneath you've got backups. Now you don't have to have the backups if you don't want to create a backup, but it does give you the option. Again, a really nice option. You can create backups, you can back up the boot or just the system or the data. If you don't want the data, you can turn that off. Enable compression and generate MD5 sums just to make sure it all went well. And yeah, I used this yesterday and it was absolutely fantastic. You know, it downloaded the latest GApps, it downloaded the latest PA ROM, it kept my Franco kernel that I was currently running, and when I started it all back up, all my preferences were there. It's just easier if you need to have the latest PA, because sometimes you kind of see the update on Goo Manager and it's like, oh, I really can't be bothered to do all the flashing. This will do it all for you. So definitely a must-have if you're currently running Paranoid Android on the Nexus 4. Peace out.